Hey viewers, in this video, I'll show you how to make a light motion style CC using Capcut, and it's super easy. This is my second tutorial video, so if you want any other tutorials, let me know in the comments. I know you might think I'm wasting your time, so let's get straight into the video. But before that, watch the preview. Thanks for watching. I'll drop more tutorials in the coming days, so follow for more.